How to see or delete incognito history on Google Chrome on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To see or delete your incognito history on your Google Chrome, first and foremost go ahead and launch your Google Chrome in your PC. Now over here, to delete or see your incognito history, go ahead and type in this exact address and click on the enter button. After which you will find an interface like this. Now to delete your incognito history, all you need to do is basically click on clear host cache, which will delete all of the history from your PC as well. This process is similar for your Android or any of your iOS device as well. Just go ahead and paste the address that is visible from here, and you'll be able to delete your incognito history from any of your Google account on any of the device. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.